Yep.
Alright. Cuts to Sam for the recording starting thing. Alright, so here we have my maze. It says Adrien's maze right there. And here we go. So it's a little laggy, so this might be a little difficult. But alright, so you start the maze right here. And you go left. And this is row A, right? So you have the first A. There's an arrow up there, and it stops there. So then you go this way, and then you go left, and you go right, and then, oops, dead end. So then you gotta go back the other way, and go this way. And this says line. So there you have the arrow, those two red things, and that represent the arrow, because it's harder to see down here. And then when you look up, there's the other side of the arrow. So it extends in both directions. So then you go around the arrow. And you can make a right or left turn. If you make go right, it says, oops, wrong way. So you got the wrong way. There's a waterfall. Then you go this way, go down a little step. And then what is this? Line segment C. The two red ends represent that it stops and doesn't extend in either direction. It's a part of a line. So then you go past that, you can go right or left. Go right, see what happens. Oh, oops, wrong way again. There's some lava and some glass. And then, whoops. So then, if you go left from where you came, you come to plane D, which is ice, so it's a little difficult to maneuver on, but it's fun. So here, you have your segment addition postulate. I couldn't type everything in there. I couldn't type the last parentheses or CV, but it's basically line segment postulate. AB plus BC equals AC. So see here, it's A, you have A, B, and C. It's basically stating that if you add A and B to B and C, you'll get CA or AC. So that's the segment addition postulate. And then if you go over here, you have midpoint of a segment. So you have the line segment here. It doesn't extend in either directions because it does not have the arrows. And then you have this black point in the middle, which represents the midpoint of that segment. And then here you have a supplementary angle, which is 180 degrees. It's the red that represents it. And then you have an angle here. This basically states that on either side, if you add both angles together, you'll get 180 degrees. And then complementary angle is when you add both sides together, you get 90 degrees. It's basically a 90-degree angle cut in half, or cut into two angles, rather. That's everything in the plane D. And so if we keep going straight, you'll see you can go right or left. If you choose to go to the right, you can't because there's a purple wall. And then, so you go this way, you have the reflection room. So if you step in and just look to the left, you have a simple reflection across the y-axis. So you have an axis which represents the purple, and then you have the red diamond or figure, I'm not sure if it's diamond, and you flip it over perfectly in this reflection. And then if you turn here, you have translation. And 1 unit is measured by, 1 box in Minecraft. So you have reflection across the y, translation, and you're going across the y, basically. That's what the translation does. So you start on the left side, and you go over 3, you go 1, 2, 3, and then down 1 right there. So that translates to that. And then if you go over 1, you have distance between 2 points. And then the way to figure that out, there's the formula right there. And yeah, distance between 2 points. And then back here, you have rotation. So basically, there's no x and y axis on this one. It just shows the rotation. You can start on the left side or right side rather, because you're going counterclockwise, and you rotate the image. Then here you have perpendicular lines. So you have two lines that are perpendicular to each other, or parallel, you could say sometimes. And there you go. That is Adrien's. Hold on, I'm trying to fly up here. What is happening? Alright, well, I can't fly. I don't know why, but that is my thing. That is my maze. Thank you.